Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language, one word at a time. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Our word of the day is additionally, a B2 level adverb that means also, or in addition to something already mentioned. Let's explore how you can use this versatile word to enhance your English skills. Additionally is a fantastic word to use when you want to add information or emphasize that there's more to what you're saying. It's common in both written and spoken English, especially when you want to sound more formal or professional. For example, instead of saying, I like coffee and I like tea, you could say, I like coffee. Additionally, I enjoy tea. Doesn't that sound smooth and polished? Some synonyms for additionally include moreover, furthermore, and as well. Let's look at these in action. She completed her assignments on time. Moreover, she helped her classmates with theirs. Another example, the project is well organized. Furthermore, it is under budget. Finally, he enjoys hiking. He loves swimming as well. Notice how each of these synonyms works to add extra information in a natural way. On the other hand, antonyms for additionally include words like however, nevertheless, and but, which signal contrast instead of addition. For instance, I wanted to go to the park. However, it started raining. Or, she promised to call me. Nevertheless, I haven't heard from her yet. These examples show how antonyms change the flow of the sentence entirely. In everyday life, you might hear additionally used in professional settings or even casual conversations when explaining or elaborating on ideas. For example, in a meeting, someone might say, our sales have increased this quarter. Additionally, our customer satisfaction ratings have improved. Or in a friendly chat, you might say, I visited Italy last summer. Additionally, I learned some basic Italian phrases. Here are a few more examples of additionally in sentences. The hotel offers free breakfast. Additionally, guests can use the gym and spa facilities. He studies hard for his exams. Additionally, he participates in extracurricular activities. This smartphone has a sleek design. Additionally, it boasts a powerful battery life. To wrap things up, additionally is a powerful word that helps you add information clearly and effectively. Remember its synonyms like moreover, furthermore, and as well, and its contrasting antonyms like however, nevertheless, and but. Try using additionally in your own conversations or writing to give your English an extra edge. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd love for you to create your own sentence using additionally and share it in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.